What if you could eliminate all the guesswork in hardware preparation? Now you can with CURRIES EDGE. We've integrated smart hardware technology to automatically find the exact prep code you need using just a manufacturer model number. No more hassle, just the right prep every time. Unsure about which prep code to choose? No problem. Start by entering your hardware's function or model in the Hardware Preps window. Next, select a manufacturer from the drop-down menu. You'll notice that Edge automatically filters the list, showing only manufacturers that match the function or model you've already selected. Make your selection and watch as Edge instantly fills in the correct prep code for you. CURRIES EDGE is proud to integrate helpful ordering features like smart hardware technology to help you order products faster and easier. Thank you for using CURRIES EDGE. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.